We're back in Hawaii, 5 in the morning right now. We're sitting at the harbor on North Shore. I'm eating a Spam musubi from 7-Eleven, bomb.com. Alexa and I have been married a year now. What better way to show my appreciation of our first year than to take her Shark Tank diving? What do you think, babe?
You can have all my things if I die.
Let's do it. Sharks.
I'm about to try a snow puffy.
Go for it, snow puppy. What did you think of it other than the seasick portion?
It was fun.
You liked it? Yeah, it was legit. We're going ziplining next. Yep. We're at the Climbworks, Keana Farms. It's hot as balls out here. You want to tell me again what you think about sharks now?
I think they're cute.
Spread the aloha.
I read the fine print that way. They didn't say I gotta do it.
Yeah, this is one of my favorites. Yeah, they said perfect. That was perfect.
On the box. I was looking to the right like, what?
Fresh nut.
I'm gonna open my legs up.
Uh-oh.
Slow it down a little.
Yeah, maybe air things out a bit with your jorts.
Awesome.
Thank you.
God, you're welcome.
All right, guys, round of applause for yourself.
We did it.
Spicy garlic and lemon pepper.
I don't think we enjoyed it. My God, it was like the best thing I've ever had. Good morning. We just got the sunrise at the Lanikai Pillbox.
Hard working every day. I'm stressed out 24/7, babe. No timeouts. Wish we could fly away. You and I go to our favorite place. Oh yeah. Make special memories together. I'll be your company now and forever. I say we fly away, you and me. Go.
Lanikai Beach, beautiful. Sand is soft. Water is teal. How you doing? Life is awesome.
asadas.
Apparently they're world renowned. Damn, they're hot. It's hot out here. Smell it. Weirdo. That little house looks a lot like the place in 50 First Dates. Took a little while to get out there and back, but worth every second. Oops, that's funny. Where are we headed?
A buffet.
Oh, it's a buffet? So we're going high class tonight. We got poke bowls. And what was yours? The Loco Moco. We're in Waikiki Beach, and we are watching our final sunset for this trip. Happy anniversary. You have a good trip? Yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah, you're the best.
No, you're the best.
She is the best. Partner in crime. We don't really do anything crime-worthy, but you know what? Maybe one of these days.
Drinking on the beach.
That's true. We are drinking on the beach. And speaking of, what? All right, well, over and out.